Here's a proven fact. You need to follow some very specific principles to create an effective separation agreement or settlement that protects your family law rights and lets you move on with your life. Hi, my name is Thomas O'Malley. I'm an experienced family lawyer in Durham region. Let's look at 5 very important tips for drafting an effective separation agreement or proposal. First principle or tip, be clear as possible in your drafting. Be very clear and specific in drafting the sections and paragraphs of your minutes of settlement or your separation agreement. For example, when you're stating that you or your spouse will have ownership of your vehicle, write the type and year of the vehicle, such as Bob Wilson will have ownership of his 2020 Toyota Camry. Use plain language. Try to avoid any words or phrases where they could have more than one meaning. Second principle, personal property and household items. Make sure you and your spouse have separate lists of the specific household items. You will have a list of your personal property and household items that you want to keep, and your spouse will have their list of personal property and household items that they would like to keep. Attach these lists to your minutes of settlement or your separation agreement so that everyone understands what they're getting. Principle number 3, agree now, not later. When you agree about some issue in the future, you will most likely run into some serious problems. For example, you agree in your minutes of settlement or proposal to agree about what to do with your home at some point in the future. What happens if you and your spouse cannot agree about what to do with your home in the future? You could easily end up back in court to deal with the house. Here's the bottom line. Always deal with every issue in your separation agreement and proposal in one document. This will greatly reduce the chance that your spouse will take you back to court. Principle number 4, make sure you can live with the agreement or minutes of settlement. Don't just sign minutes of settlement, a proposal or agreement, just to get it over with. You must be able to fulfill your obligations under the agreement. For example, if you must pay off certain debts within 6 months, make sure you have the finances or money to actually pay off these debts before you sign an agreement that you will do this. Principle number 5, make sure you fully understand the terms of the minutes of settlement or your separation agreement. As you prepare for your family court case with your lawyer, you should already set out the court orders and results you want to get. Make sure your goals and court orders have a reasonable basis in law and fact in your particular case and circumstances. If you have any questions about your separation agreement, divorce, or family law case, and you'd like our help, there's a few ways to contact our office. You can leave a message on my Facebook Law Office page. Visit my website at www.canadiandivorcelegaladvice.com or call me directly at 905-434-8837. We would be happy to speak to you. Oh, by the way, did you know you can protect your family law rights and get essential information on settling your family law issues with your former spouse with the daily, indispensable family law advice and tips at my free Facebook group? Go to Facebook and search Durham Separation and Divorce Legal Support Group in the top search bar. You'll find the group and join it. Thank you for watching this video.